Menteri Rang Ba ke Jylla Conrad ke samah kesengi baar loong ba ke Citizenship Amendment Act CAA kan don jingta setia ya ke Meghalaya na ba baru kijaka bahap hapok ke 6 schedule kin light na ke jing trikam jong kene ke ain. Haba yakin ba kinong tok ke bor Conrad loong ba ke jing keli ke bami halo ke jing wan ra ke sarkar India ya ke rules ke de ke rukom bahap ban bot ke sarkar. Uloong ba na ke jing yoi ke Meghalaya kene ke ain kan Ktah tan ya ke Jylla namar ke jaka 6 schedule kila light na ke CAA but laju ong kendai point kendai persen Henry kendai point kendai persen ki jaka ki de hapok ke 6 schedule but kentai ki hap hakan non schedule kumta kan don jingta ke Jylla Meghalaya.
No, I don't have any comments on why the timing. The government of India is doing its part from terms of the bill that was passed 4 years back. It's the rules. But from Meghalaya's point of view, it doesn't really impact us much because the six scheduled areas, are completely exempted from the CAA. And hardly, as I said, we used to say 99%, but it's actually 99.9999%. There's a small section which is non-scheduled area. But apart from that, the entire scheduled area has been exempted, so it will not have any impact on the state of Meghalaya. But as I said, the question of government of India coming up with rules, those are procedures that are followed by government of India. So I don't want to comment on that.
But is government of Meghalaya going to request full exemption of Meghalaya from the CAA?
See, we're not understanding what this whole thing is. There is hardly municipal area of 2 to 3 or this entire European ward of 2 square kilometers or 1 square kilometer, whatever it is. It's really not a big impact. The entire rest of the state is exempted from it. So I think we are looking at that one dot which is there and not realizing that the rest of the 99.999% is not included. That's what is important to note. So this one dot is there because of a technical issue. Otherwise, the entire six scheduled area is exempted from the CAA.
So at the time when the state government is asking the HNLC to reconsider its decision and come forward for peace talks, but we have seen the recent bomb blast, which is suspected to be HNLC is behind it. What do you have to say, sir?
So I cannot say on suspicion and on unclaimed overall claims that cannot be backed right now with evidence. So yes, there are certain things we have made forward. We have done our research and inquiry and everything, and the intel is indicating to certain individuals and groups, but without full details, it will not be proper for me to say anything right now. The police is doing an inquiry. A large number of people have been arrested, and even last night I was updated. Even as far as even 12 o'clock in the night, I received phone calls from different officials from the police informing me about the different actions that have been taken, and hence I'm monitoring the situation very, very closely. We are doing a lot of work. I can not share all the details with you right now, but there's a huge exercise that the police is conducting, and they are successfully, in fact, they have done a number of things, which again, as I said, on appropriate time we will inform. But we are on it, and those individuals who are trying to create this kind of problems will ensure that they are caught and actually taken against them.
Sir, was there any intelligence failure?
No, not at all. These are basically all informations that come in. As I've mentioned to you again and again, these are individual incidents that happened. Intelligence is a very large word. It is very easy for you or anybody to just come in and use this word of intelligence failure. You have to remember that we receive maybe around thousands and thousands of inputs every day, and we screen through them, we go through them. The reports that we get, whether it's the police, through the different technologies that are available with the police today. It's very complicated, and you will appreciate it if you sit one day and go through it. So it's a very complicated thing. But in those complications, there are a lot of things that are neutralized and that are controlled by the police based on that intel. So therefore, there are situations this has happened. But what is more important is that there was no casualty. Number one. Number two, that we are very swift action was taken based on intel and based on the intelligence network that the police has and the technology that they have. And a lot of people are, in fact, as I said, now being arrested, and tough action is being taken. And as I said, we will ensure that the people who are responsible for this are caught.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center